Hola, bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And in today's video, you're going to learn 4 handy phrases to make sure that you're being understood in español. ¿Listo? Vamos. Okay, so we all know how frustrating it can be, not just for us as the language learner, but also as the person that we're speaking to try and understand if you're getting your point across. It can be really tricky because you can spend ages trying to explain something in Espanol only to be faced with a very confused face at the end of it. So, there are 4 really handy short phrases that you can learn and practice to make sure that you're being understood as you practice your Espanol. Okay, and the first one, remember that when we're writing these down, by the way, we have in Espanol an upside down question mark at the beginning and a normal question mark at the end. And when you're asking a question in Espanol, don't forget that you need that rising intonation at the end. Okay, so the first one we have is a formal way of asking somebody if they understand you or if they understand what you're trying to say, and that is, ¿se entiende? ¿Se entiende? The next one is more informal, so if you're addressing somebody informally, so if you're in a conversation with a friend or a child, someone that you know, a family member, you might say, or you might ask, ¿Me sigues? ¿Me sigues? That kind of means, that translates to, do you follow me? Yeah, ¿me sigues? The next one you can use in a formal or an informal conversation. It's absolutely fine because you're going to be asking if you're explaining yourself well. Okay, and to do that, we simply ask, ¿Me explico? ¿Me explico? And the last one that, again, you can use in all situations, whether you're addressing somebody formally or informally. And it literally means, does this make sense? ¿Tiene sentido? ¿Tiene sentido? So there you go. 4 ways of asking somebody mid-conversation or at the end if they understand what you're trying to say. Let's run through them really quickly again. So the first one, ¿se entiende? The next one, ¿me sigues? ¿Me explico? ¿Tiene sentido? Perfecto. There we go. Practice them, practice your pronunciation, record yourself saying these phrases and listen back to them, and let me know what other lessons you'd like me to upload to this YouTube channel. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.